y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you with the gang, you with the mob, you thinking. Thanks for coming back to my channel. If you not and you just got here, make sure you slide out and subscribe because girl, today's video, you already know what we finna do. I'm finna mini beat without using foundation, and we're gonna do it with under 20 minutes. And the kick is, it's going to last you up to 8 hours or more, at least 8 hours. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Keep watching. All right, y'all, so what we about to do is jump right into this face, okay? So start off with my brows, and as y'all know, because y'all should have watched my first makeup tutorial, I do a little mixed combo with my Fenty and my Maybelline, bitch. And basically do the eyes, the under eye, down here on the chinny chin, right here, you know, because it just do something for the face. What I'm about to do is blend these two colors together, show you the finished product, and then do my brows. First, you want to start with your brows, and then after you do your brows, like I said, you want to go to the inner eye. So I already blended my concealer, so now I'm gonna go and line my brows, because y'all know how I do my brows. I line them, then I move them up, and then do it like that. So I'll do a brow with y'all. You already know if I got this mirror, since you know I can't see. So this is how I'm seeing here. And y'all might be like, girl, why are you starting with your brows first? I went with my brows first because, like I said, I'm not going to use any foundation in this video at all. So I have to put all of my product on and then smooth all of it over. You'll see where I'm going with this in a second. All right, so just a sidebar, this tutorial is not going to be as informative as my first one, and if you have any like beginner friendly questions, you need to go over to my 12+ hour makeup look, and I talked you through it. It was like 30 minutes long to this. The help is there. So like I said, I'll go in and do my under eye just because, you know, we still want to brighten, girls. Like, I can't see a motherfucking thing. Look, is my ring light flashing me? Or am I using my winter color? I might be using my winter color. And then we're also going to do our chin just because, like I said in the first video, I'm not too sure what the chin and the lip thing does, but like it definitely adds some type of volume to your face, and I feel like it helps it look just like a lot smoother. So we're gonna go with the same concealer structure as we would with any other face. We're gonna do the brows, we're gonna do the triangles, we're gonna do the lines, the smiley face on the chin, and then you know what's next to do. We're gonna blend. So girl, take your blender. Sidebar, you do not need to spend a lot on your blenders in order for you to get what you need. So I am actually going to start with my under eye, because I don't really know why I just did like. I think I use my summer colors. It's like, why do I not look brightened? I don't think that's my color no more. I think I done got a little tan, and your girl's using the wrong color. So like I said in the first video, whatever you do on one side of your face, you're going to do to the other. And then do the other side. And blend. And I'm gonna blend out and smooth out these corners a little bit, and then I'm gonna go into my chin, and you already know what I'm gonna do down there. I'm gonna blend in a circular motion to give it a real chinny type of look. And then from my chin, I'm gonna move it down, just like pat, 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 pat. But we ain't done with the chin. All right, y'all, so I did go in and blend my upper lip too once I finished blending out my chin. Oh, only thing we have left to blend now is our brows. So I'm gonna blend out my brows. You're gonna blend out your brows. We're gonna do our eyelid. Blend out your eyelid first, and then blend this over. Once you finish blending your eyelid, you're gonna blend above your brow and blend up. Always up. All right, y'all, so as we can see, this is already done. So all I have to do is blend out this brow and then the upper brow. As y'all know, like, I was a server. I have a lot of story times to come about serving because that was a hot ass ghetto mess, to say the least. So when I was a server, I usually, like, most of the time, 9 times out of 10, I did my makeup like when I had to serve, because one time somebody told me a long time ago, shout out to Rodney, actually rest in peace to Rodney, He's manager at Outback Steakhouse, and he literally told me, you know, like, the better you look, the more money you make. And I never forgot it, bro. I never forgot it. And he said it was a scientific fact that the better you look, the more money you made. So I'm walking in the door. It's like, I'm finna get all the bags. I want them all. So I'm in there trying to do my little makeup. But at that time, actually, when I was at Outback, I didn't even know how to do my makeup. So I used to just like highlight and look like a fucking golden mess. But I thought I was cute, and couldn't nobody tell me I wasn't cute, and that's just what it was. But because Rodney told me that, I never forgot it, and every serving job I had after that, I will always go into work looking like presentable. It was going to get me some dollars. It was going to make you look at me and be like, oh my God, she's lovely. Yes, I am. Spend your dollars. Okay. So that's where I learned that. Then I took it with me all throughout the rest of my serving experience. And then, being as though, you know, your girl should be running a little late, I had to find a way to still look good in a timely manner. And that's how I got here. So one day I didn't have time to do my face for real. And I was like, bruh, if I just do my eyebrows, right? And then I put some powder on my face, is it a way I can pull through? So I did it. So I did my eyebrows, and I did just like I did now, except I didn't do like my under eye and my chin and everything else, because like I said, I was just trying to just get my brows done. So that's what I did. I powdered and then I rocked out, and it looked good, and I was getting compliments, and I was like, girl, who would have known that powder could act as a damn foundation? Like, I never knew. But then again, I could have never knew, because as y'all know, I was never hit to this makeup shit until like I started doing my own. So that brings us to the point that this face is going to make you look like you getting money, and it took you less than 20 minutes. So now that we've done our brows, we basically laid the foundation of our face, and the next thing we're going to do is go in with our Fenty powder, and my color is Nutmeg. So we're going to take our big powder brush, dust off the extra powder, and then I literally just like put it just holes on my face, like just little circles on my face. Take a little slip. Did y'all see my straw? My straw is so cute. It's iridescent. Oh, if you don't have a steel straw or a silicone straw, what selfish rock are you living under? Do you not care about the mother effing turtles or the sea animals? You need to start. And you can start by going to Marshall's and getting you a pack of silicone or steel straws that are reusable and washable, and they only range up to like $5. So what is your excuse? Is Ocean Life not worth $5? Back to the video. We're gonna blend our powder. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna blend our powder all around our face, basically, to, you know, melt everything and make everything just look seamless and timeless, and just, you know, A1 since day one, because that's how you always want to look. Do your forehead too. And with your forehead, I personally gotta take my brush, because my forehead's actually really big, but with my wig it is not. So I gotta like make sure I get up there so that I'm all you know, just even. And honestly, sis, if you ran out of time and you needed to go just like this, you really could, because you look smooth as hell. But because your girl is who your girl is, this is just not enough for me. So I took it to a next level when I realized I could do all of this with just powder. I was like, well, bitch, can I contour and highlight? You can. So, you know what's next. We finna contour. So, you already know I am Sephora Mocha Java. That is my contour color. And this is my contour brush from Elfiana. And these are my nails from my cousin at Nail by Renee. Follow her on Instagram page. Period, okay? All right, so you're going to take your contour brush and you're going to basically contour. So, y'all might be like, Z, where's your contour? I'm trying to figure it out too. Like, I'm going to let your contour sit for a minute. All right, now that it's been a few minutes and your contour has had a minute to settle, you're going to take your contour blending brush and you're going to blend your contour. We're going to blend our contour out, girls. we're gonna blend her out. It's looking like I got cheekbones. So that's gonna work. Blend up. Remember, if you got the powder contour, you always want to blend up, sis. You do not want your face to look like a hot mess. You want it to look snatched, okay? We are snatched. So, I don't know, I'm going nowhere without no highlight. So today, we're taking our handy dandy MAC highlight. This is called Beaming Blush. It's just a handy dandy, regular, schmegular, degular, everyday, can go with most things highlight, you see? So we gonna highlight like we always do. Ew. Be cam. City girls up, we perfect. Cheat on your bitch, I'm worth it. Say no, I don't be doing that. Don't cheat on your bitch. Don't do that. I don't want nothing to do with it. Then we gonna highlight the other side. Okay, girl. So now that we have our highlights going, we can't forget to do our nose. Don't ever forget your nose, girl. If you ain't highlighting your nose, why not? And a little bridge, why not? You might as well. The people like it. And then do your chin. I don't know if that's for everybody, but I love to do my chin. I feel like it just kind of brings everything together for me. Just a little bit, just a little dabby Anna. I don't know why I want everything to be Anna tonight. I don't know why, but that's just what it is. So now we're done with our highlight because we just want to do like a simplistic, fast, good enough to see me and pay me look, okay? So we done with our highlight, and then we're going to do a little bit of blush, and then we're going to set. We might do our lip, and then we're good to go. We get to run right out the house. All right, so y'all know I live for Anastasia or however y'all like to say it, Beverly Hills blush palette. So today I'm using Cocktail Party. I'm probably going to end up using the color Vegas because this is Vegas right here. She looks brown, but she makes us look good. We look good together. Take your blush brush from Elf also, and you're going to go right in Vegas. See, I guess she is kind of brown, but she don't be giving brown on your face. Like, she gives melt. So maybe she is brown because the girl, she melts into my skin. And then we're going to do the other one because we're just filling in basically, the empty space. So I'm going to also go in with Scorching. I'm going to go in with Scorching and put her on top of Vegas just to give Vegas a little bit of color. As y'all see, just a smidget of color. We done, sis. We are effing done. Dun. All right, so basically I said we're done, and I kind of fit just a little bit. We actually didn't put our mascara on. Bring it back. A little bit of mascara on. So if you got lashes, ladies, you don't need to do this, but I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara on my baby eyelashes at the bottom. Just, to give it that extra, like, I'm here. And if y'all looking at my lashes like, girl, you need to get your lashes done. Where are they? Worry about your mom. Where's your mom lashes? Don't come for me. Don't come for me. Don't come for me at all. I don't know why my lashes out here in these streets looking like this, to be honest. I just know that I have an appointment coming up, and they will be fixed. Okay? But first things first, I'm coming to you live with the video, of course. So, this is how I had to come. This is how I had to show up to the party, because I'm still coming. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video up until the end. I hope you guys enjoyed everything, and I hope you learned a little bit about makeup. Like, or about turtles, or about anything, you know, about me, whatever. Make sure you comment down below if you like this video. Make sure you comment down below if you want me to do more of these videos. Make sure you comment down below and further the conversation that I had with y'all, because girl, let's talk. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you know whenever your girl's finna post a video, because I promise y'all I got way more coming. Make sure you follow me on all of my social media, but most importantly, make sure you follow me on my Instagram at yourhighness.z. That's YOURHIGHNESS.Z. Last letter alphabet, 2 E's, that's me.